Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ilhan Falah. I'm from Blitar, school in the SMKN 1 Utanawu.
Makasih.
Welding is a technique of joining four or more metals by heating until the main metal manifests in a cold state. There are several preparatory factors that must be carried out: human factory, procedures and methods of work, material of material, types, methods, equipment, and shapes and sizes. Equipment factors, natural factors and purposes, risk factor, and calculation of measurement results. Ways of welding. Conventional methods of welding can be divided into two groups, namely classification based on work, classification based on the energy asset. Classification based of welding energy: electric welding, semi-sal welding, mechanical welding. Classification based on work welding: liquid welding, press welding. Kinds of welding defects and the removed welding defects are divided into visible welding defects. Visual welding defects cannot be seen. Internal defects. Visible welding defects: undercutting, namely the sheet of the joint is consumed by the earth and forms a pellets on the rack and left on the wheel. This is caused by too high a temperature when welding due to the use of too large a current and too short a swing of the electrode. Unseen welding. Defense type of welding errors that cannot be seen with the eye can only be detected using radiographies and ultrasonic. The types of errors are undercut, slack lines, internal longitudinal crack, internal transverse crack, complete penetration, complete fashion, internal porosity, flow hole, root convexing, surface convexing, fault of junction, root height low, alignment, porosity, effective penetration, interface, cold lab, heavy metal inclusion. How to deal with errors in the welding process: undercutting, give the wax buckling, lower the ampereage. The electrode swing must match the amperage. Adjust the position of the electrode. Furlong increase welding current, distance of speed. Slag enclosure cleaning adds layer of slag after the welding process. Angular deformation uses the angle of the weld before. Use a correct perform stress classing of welding. Perform stress classing of welding. Measurement: set the distance of the object to be joined must be even and spiral. The distance of the wheel to be encased to the thickness of the plates to be wheel compressing. Use the ampered electrodes carry out stress releasing of welding. Perform preliminary heating before welding. The operation that are the heat should speed. The keyhole should not be too big. Lower the amperage on the electrode. The teeth are not penetrating. Increase the welding currents and adjust the welding of welding threads to always form the keyhole along the midst of as the polarized the electric. In welding are several things to consider: heat cooling, is electric, mechanical effect, metal transfer, heat flow, dilution. Heating and cooling: the process from the beginning of the to the wheel metal cans in the electric arrangement cassette. This occur in the electric power function welding as due to the and the power comes itself. Heat flow to fix a hummus in net and speed setting for heating and cooling. Deglaciation is the melting of the parent metal dust from the Wilts metal. Kinds of welding safety equipment works clothes welding laterals with a species of the Fortons. Electric welding mechanics Electronic current AC transformer. This machine requires alternating current source with a lower voltage on electric. Welding machine directs current resistive. The machine converts electric current back and forth. The incoming AC becomes direct current out in AC, making the mesh wire and the electric cable can be exchanged without affecting the heat change the arcs in the ice flame. Effect of electrode speed on the result welding. The speed of welding depends on the type of electrodes, the diameter of the electrode core, the material being welded, the geometry of the joints, the accuracy of the consetting, and others. In almost nothing to do with the welding stress but in the fast welding requires gig welding currents with the voltage of the weld decreases but Besides arriving at a certain speed, the inserts in will magnify the breakpoint. If the welding speed is a increase consequently the heat input per unit lighting will also be small so that the cooling will run too fast which makes harden the hash area. Thank you.